Allocation rules are a vital part of Silver Fabric production usage. They can be used to adjust component allocation levels based on load, dependence on other components, or any other external conditions. Silver Fabric includes 5 kinds of allocation rules: resource preferences, component dependencies, enablement conditions, threshold activation, and engine group minimum maximum rules. Today we'll show you how to add a resource preference rule. This will limit one of our components so it can only run on a Linux host. First, you need to edit the rules in the stack builder. To edit the rules, you go to Stacks, and then edit one of the stacks by clicking the edit icon. That'll open it up in the stack builder. Now you go down to the policies and you expand it, and then you find the component that you want to add the rule to and also expand that. Here you can see the J2E example component in this stack already has a rule for a component dependency, which limits the startup and shutdown based on if there's a database already running. What we want to do is add another rule for a resource preference. And what this does is it uses the properties on the engines to determine if an engine can be used to run a component. Now we're going to add one to look at the OS platform, and we're going to say that it has to match Linux and that this is a required rule. So it's required that the platform is Linux on the engine and able to run the component. Once you've added the rule, you can go ahead and save the stack in the stack builder. And now you'll see that the stack is published, but it's also changed. So we go ahead and publish the changes to the stack. And now the component in this stack will only run if the engine platform is Linux.